Hi guys, and welcome to the daily predictions. We are going to talk about how the energy of 27th of October is going to be, and if you've not watched the video for 26th of October, please do watch the video. It will help you deal with the day. And the energy of 27th of October, again, the energy is very strong, and there are some changes that you need to go through and some changes that you need to lead through. Now, first card is the card of Princess of Staves, which is actually ideally the page of wands. And if you see the Princess of Staves card, the princess is actually going on strongly with her wand high, and the horse is actually running, and she has a shield, and she's probably attacking or being attacked, but she's kind of getting into a war, and or she's trying to take up the passion that she has. So this is the card which is telling you that it is important to pick up your passion, it is important to move forward, it is important to take that step that you need to take. It is important to have your shield so that you are able to shield your heart, so that you are not getting impacted by the negativity or the energies that are around you, but you have that ability to kind of move towards growth. So understand your energy, understand your ability, and move forward towards something greater that you are meant to achieve, that you are meant to do. The second card is Seven of Staves, which is again Seven of Wands. And if you see, there is a dragon who had created so much of fire. This person is trying to safeguard himself from this dragon, and now if you see, the dragon has exhausted its fire. All the fire is almost exhausted, and the dragon has just nothing coming out of his mouth, and or simply smoke coming out of his mouth. And this is the card which is of standing your ground. So if you have a passion, if you want to move ahead and achieve something, if you want to move ahead and do something, that this is the time where people will stop you, people will try to stop you, but they will get exhausted, and you will know when to step out of that situation and when to pick up your passion. So keep moving forward with what your passion is. If there are people who are trying to pull you down, if there are people who are trying to pull your energy down, don't get down with those people, don't get impacted with those people, because they're almost exhausted now, and your dreams will be fulfilled, or you will be able to move forward. The next card, this is 7, this is 2, so this makes it 9. This is a card of Six of Cups, and Six of Cups is a card where it is an energy of nostalgia, it is an energy of past memories, it is an energy of love, it is an energy of nurturing, it is an energy of caring, it is an energy of connecting. And if you see, there are so many roses, and all the cups are actually filled with roses, but roses do come with thorns. So you need to be careful, but at the same time, there is a possibility that you connect with some past relationship, there is a possibility you connect with your own past, you think about your own past, you think about your own childhood. So anything that has been a dragon in your life, which has been always breathing fire on you, you're going to think about that energy, but you're going to change that energy. You have the ability to change that energy. The next card is what it is saying is that because the roses come with thorns, you don't have to take a decision immediately. So take time to take your decision, balance your masculine and feminine powers, masculine and feminine energies, and balance your energies in a way so that you know how to move forward. You're not stuck into a situation, and you know what to actually leave and what to actually take up. So there is going to be a little more while or a little more juggling there, but again, the energies are changing, and that juggling is soon going to get over. Now in this card also, if you see, the king is almost slipping. This is a card of king, because this is a plain white heart, this is a red heart, so queen, and the king is almost slipping. He's almost slipping, and once the king slips, the queen slips too. And if I take these cards as the energy of what is happening, somebody was charging very in a very fiery energy moving forward, because this is a card of forces as well. So somebody was charging and moving forward, and now what the dragon did, or what the negative energies did, they tried to put him into a corner where he has to actually defend himself. So he does not have much to do, he's not able to put much harm to the dragon, but the dragon has exhausted his energy. The old memories were also pulled in, and nostalgia was created, or some kind of old energies were used to create something. But now the juggling is almost going to get over, because the king is almost to slip, and when the king slips, there are going to be more positive energies, there are going to be divine messengers, there are going to be travel, movement, and shift into the energies of something that were completely stuck. So the energies of king were completely stuck, nobody was able to move them. There will be a movement there in our lives. This card, this is 8 of staves, and this kind of shows communication, movement, travel, moving forward. There are so many birds, so divine messengers, and there are doves, so there is peace. So things are going to get better. There are going to be growth. So in total, this is 9, this is 8. This total becomes 8 again. This is 8 again. Energy of strength. You have to ensure that there is infinite possibilities. There are infinite opportunities. The things are going to change, but you will have to keep yourself balanced. Keep the juggling on. The king is almost slipping. And also in your life, take up the passion. If somebody has been stopping you, somebody has been creating hurdles for you to move forward, whether it is in terms of relationships, whether it is in terms of dreams, there is going to be juggling, but the juggling is going to get over very, very soon. You're going to see some positive messages. You're going to see some positive results. You're going to see some positive communications. This is Lover's Part Tarot that I used, and the second set of cards that I got, it is from the Work Your Light cards, Oracle card, and first card is Crumbling, and it says, what are you clinging on to? And the second card says, share your voice, come out of the cave, persecution, expression. And this clearly says that whatever the tower was, it is actually crumbling down now. It is opening from the center, and there is new growth that is going to come out of it. So the tower is definitely about to crumble. Now this is also things that you are clinging on to, things that you are actually holding on to, things because of which you are not able to move. So it is time to share your voice. It is time to come out of your cave. It is time to express yourself. It is time to raise your voice. It is time to say things that you need to. It is time to put your energy in the right place, in the right way, and let go of anything that you've been clinging to. Let go of anything that you've been afraid of. Let go of anything that you've been negative about. Let go of any kind of negative energy, because this is the time where your voice should be heard and your voice should go out. The next card that I have is from Dragon Wisdom. It's a dormant aspect. We all have that one aspect in us that we do not really use. And if we are dormant, if we are quiet on something, doesn't mean that we don't know how to speak. We know how to speak. It's just we choose not to speak at that point in time. But the purple dragon is actually telling you now that wake up. It is time to speak. It is time to raise your voice. It is time to say things. It is time to wake up. It is time to pick up your dormant aspect, whether it is spirituality, whether it is you are good into finances, you're good into relationships, you're good into something, anything that was sleeping inside you, anything you've still not picked up, anything that you've still not spoken about, done anything about, you were just keeping it inside you. It is the time to actually pick up that dormant aspect and speak about it. And in another term, I do feel, where I said the king is slipping, I do feel some communication is going to come. There is going to be a crumbling, and also somewhere where we have been expecting communication. We have been saying that speak something, say something. Something is going to happen there. Some communication is going to come from there. The next card that I have is from Kali Oracle, and this is Bhadrakali, and it says there is not always a need to try to grapple and conquer. Sometimes the need is simply to let go. Just because another has created a certain reality for themselves and is attempting to draw you in, it does not mean that you must participate. You have the divinely granted gift of choosing where to invest your energy. Be kind to yourself. And Bhadrakali energy is saying that it is important for you to decide where do you want to put your energies. You don't have to, there is a drama that is being created around you. There is a situation that is being created around you, but you really pull yourself down into that situation. Do you really want to put your energies into that situation? No. Just juggle with it a little, balance yourself a little, and that situation will get over. So just let go and let things happen, because Bhadrakali energy is here to kind of give you protection, support you, support us. I am very much part of this reading, so support us, support our energies, and help us kind of move forward, help us let go, and help us see and create the actual reality for us. Yes, the dormant aspects have to be woken up now, and the tower needs to crumble now, and you have to let go of anything that is pulling you down. Pick up your passion and move forward. Now, and the dormant aspect card is also number 29, the page number 29. So it is number 11 actually. Okay, so I'm going to take out the extra message that I always take out for in the English video, and this is from the Muse Tarot. So let's see what is the message. Guides, angels, what is the message for 27th of October 2021? What extra additional do we need to know? What is the additional message for 27th of October 2021? 27th of October 2021, what do we need to know? Please guide us, guides, angels. Okay, so there are many cards that kind of jumped out, and let's see what are these. First card that is here is a Muse of Material, which is King of Pentacle. And Muse of Material, this definitely shows that there is a bridge that you need to cross, but after crossing the bridge there is a new sunlight that is there. The next card is the Emperor, and Emperor is the card of the energy who has the power, who has the authority, who knows what to do, who has experience, and who knows what step is to be taken when. So yes, there has been a long journey for the Emperor, but the Emperor from his journey has reached a place where he is the Hierophant, where he has the authority, he is above all, and people come to him for solutions, and he has that power to give those solutions. So don't close yourself, don't close your energies, because definitely the energies are changing. There is a card of Five of Material. Five of Material, the card is upside down. Five of Material is a card where there are issues, or there is no money, or there is imbalance, there is a stuck situation, there is a feeling of being into a rut and not being able to come out of it. And opposite, it says that don't close yourself, let things happen, and you will come out of any situation that you are into. The next is Muse of Voices, which is the King of Swords card, and it is like raise your voice and your kite will fly high. The next card is Three of Inspiration, which is Three of Wands, which means that the results that you're waiting, they are almost there. The domino effect has started to happen, and you will see the result of domino effect very, very soon. But yes, there is a little juggling that is still there. Balance yourself and keep juggling, because Two of Material, last card, is Two of Pentacles. So if I see these cards basically say that there has been a juggling, and from that juggling there has been a domino impact that was created, where basically some things have to come out, and a domino has started to fall. So it will actually fall, and the circle is actually huge, but the circle will be complete, and the communications will start to come out, because this is King of Swords. And then from there, whatever material issues, whatever stuck energies, whatever was not moving, whatever was almost stuck there, was not able to kind of come out or move anywhere, all of that is going to move. And with that energy, there is going to be Hierophant, where the authorities or the high figure or the energies or the divine is going to come. The journey is going to change, and then there is going to be that bridge that will be crossed, and finally there will be growth. So in your life, I would say that the cards are saying that whatever you're juggling with, it is time where you set up goals for yourself, and you start raising your voice and working towards your goal. Don't think about what are the disabilities, don't think about what is it that is putting you behind, don't think about what is it for which you cannot move, or what is it that you have to keep close to your heart and you don't take a decision, or you cannot take a decision. Be into your energy. Naked means be into your real energy. You don't have to hide anything, you don't have to stop anything, and nothing will be hidden. You might not be able to see the face, but you will be able to see the realities of people and situations in your life, and you should actually look at life from the higher aspect, from the higher by being the higher being that you are, and looking at your experiences. And if you do that, the bridge that is being difficult to be crossed, the bridge that is actually moving and it is difficult for you to cross that bridge, you will find support, you will find help, and slowly and gradually you will cross the bridge where there is a new beginning happening. But yes, there is still quite a lot for you to cross. And in other energy, I feel that yes, some energies are going to change big time tomorrow. So I hope that things work out for the betterment of all of us. And if you can, please share the video with everyone so that this reaches maximum people. And if you can, please press the like button. 1 second it takes, but it will make the video searchable. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.